everybody, I'm Chris. We're here at Fastlane Classic Cars. Got Jake behind the camera. Today we have a gorgeous triple black 63 Corvette Convertible. Triple black, black car, black top, black interior. That is the original color code for the car. It's also a factory 340 horse. I think there were 250 horse, 300 horse, 340, and then 360 for the Fuelie. So above this, you have to go with the Fuelie. A lot of people kind of like the 4-barrel carburetor better. Yeah, it's a really nice car. It's numbers matching. You want to look inside?
Yeah, sure.
All right, engine, very correct. Still have the cast iron exhaust manifolds, aluminum intake. I like to look at the correct things like little correct hose clamps, little things that kind of just separated from a car that was just quickly restored by, you know, a novice.
Right.
So nicely done. Paint's gorgeous. Standard black vinyl interior. I love the gauges on these earlier C2s. The later C2s got a flat dial with the needles that are not bent. So those are just kind of cool looking. To each their
I
own.
didn't even notice the needles are bent.
Yeah.
From certain angles, because the glass is kind of curved, they look straight, but they are bent, aren't
Yeah, the
they?
clock works too.
The clock does work, which is astounding for a car this old. It's still ticking.
It's still ticking.
It is still ticking. I like the black vinyl. Black on black is cool too.
It's nice.
It's a nice color combo.
Radial tires with white walls and period correct Corvette hubcaps.
Very nice.
Very
Solid
nice.
lifter engine, right?
I believe it is, yeah. You can tell by the red line on the tag, 6,500.
Nice.
If it was only the 340 horse and the Fuelie got that rev limit. Should we start it up?
Yeah, let's
Okay.
go for a ride.
Let's do it. Okay, ignition.
Starts right up.
It does. Yep, idling about 700 RPM.
What cubic inch is this again?
327.
Nice.
Second year for the 327.
Is it a Revy engine?
It is.
Smaller displacement, solid lifters.
Yeah, I love the little 327s. They're great little engines. They like to rev.
Right.
You can get lots of power out of these things. Yeah, I think the highest they offered from a 327 was 370 or 375 horse before they dropped it. Yeah, that's a lot.
That's quite a bit, yeah. And I've tested everything in here. Our fan works, our radio works great. The headlights roll up, they turn on, the taillights turn on, everything works. The clock, like you said, works. It's currently ticking. So, I mean, very well functioning Corvette too.
And it's gorgeous.
And it's black on black, and it's a 63 Vet, so.
And it's a 4-speed, it's not the little power glide. A lot of people like these that just don't want to do a 4-speed, so they're hard to come by. These are my favorite cars to drive.
They are very good riding cars, and they are just really fun.
Thousands of muscle cars in the last decade. These are my favorites.
Yeah, I've only been around and driving muscle cars for a little over 2 years, but even in that time, I see that these are some of the best you can get.
Yeah. You know, the C3 uses the same chassis.
Really?
Yeah, same frame, suspension, all that stuff.
They seem so much bigger, though.
Different interior, different body, different engines, just because time has moved on, but they just feel different. Yeah.
Well, I mean, they seem so much longer than the C2. I guess the nose is longer.
Yeah, it probably is dimensionally longer, but the wheelbases should be identical.
The weight distribution and everything in the C2 is just kind of perfect.
That's nice.
They're fun to just dart around. Especially, the big blocks are cool. The small blocks in the front makes it a little bit sharper, I feel like.
Yeah, you don't have as much weight over the front end. You know, the big blocks are fun from blasting stoplight to stoplight. If you're going through the corners, small blocks, just a more fun car.
Right. And they're all great cruising cars. Very comfortable.
Oh, yeah.
They don't beat you up, really, like some muscle cars.
Yeah, some muscle cars just wear you out.
Good brakes.
Yeah, brakes are good.
Are these power brakes?
These are, I believe these are manual.
Well, they feel like power brakes. They work very well.
Yeah, they do. A lot of people get worried about drum brakes. I mean, that's what we had for a long, long time. And you just plan ahead a little bit. They're not going to stop on a dime like a disc. You can always upgrade too.
As long as you're paying attention, there's no problem with drum brakes at all.
That's right. And our shop can convert this to 4-wheel disc if somebody wants.
Yeah, absolutely. Or fuel injection if they want it.
That's true.
Yeah, as great as this already is, It's a wonderful driving car.
It's just awesome. This is a treat. This is nice. If I were to get a mid-year C2 Corvette, I would want a 340 horse. Big blocks are fun, but these are just easy. Just nice. And they're less expensive.
That too.
I wish this person was turning. Or at least moving.
I'll have a little bit of a run.
Oh, that's awesome.
I wish we had some more space ahead of us.
Yeah, we'll get some more space.
But that little 327 makes a lot more power than I was expecting.
Yeah, it does. It's nice. I'll pull over here, let somebody get ahead of us. All right.
Oh my goodness.
Pretty nice, huh?
It shifts really nice too.
Oh, it does.
Oh, that's a lot of power. And they're not very heavy cars, so
No.
it doesn't take a lot for it to be fast.
You gotta blow the cobwebs out of them sometimes.
Yeah, they like it.
They do. Too many of these cars get babied.
No, I don't think Mr. Duntov wanted this to be babied.
Nope, not at all.
Get a good startup from the outside and a couple flybys, and
All right.
then we'll head back. Get some good exhaust noises. How was that?
That's great. Love it.
Awesome.
Love it, love it, love it. Yeah. Tremendous car.
You ready to go back?
Yeah, I kind of wish it was Sunday. We could just keep driving.
Yeah, that would be nice.